Hello?
Hello. Can you
Can you
hear
hear
me?
me?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Alright. Happy
Happy
Thursday.
Thursday.
Yes, you had an early class again today.
Yes, right.
Alright. And
Because
what time did
today
you
is my day off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. So what did you do in the morning?
Yeah, actually, today is my older son's graduation day. Actually, yeah, his
Ah.
elementary school graduation today. So I attend the graduation ceremony to
Oh.
celebrate him.
I see. Amazing. Congratulations to your son.
Yeah.
Yes. What did you do after the ceremony?
Actually, me and my wife prepare some flowers and a bunch of flowers for my son
Hmm?
and also my son's teacher. And
Mm.
then actually the ceremony took about 2.5 hours.
Ooh. Wow.
Yeah,
Long.
it really long because the
Yes.
yes right the chief president of the school she gave a award to each student, all the students, one by one.
Ah,
So,
I see. Who?
yeah, the graduation students,
Wow.
yeah,
Each?
each of them, yeah, one by
Too
one.
many.
Yeah, so more than 200 students got the each different award from the yeah priest from the chief of president.
Oh, I see. I got it now. Ah, that's why it takes a long time.
Yes, right. And
Yes.
then
Ah, so
after yeah, after graduation ceremony, it's already late afternoon. So we went
mm,
to the prepared restaurant for
wow.
dinner.
Dinner?
Yeah,
What time did the ceremony start?
the ceremony starts at 1:30 and then finishes at
Ah.
around 33:30. So when
Mm,
I got arrived the restaurant, it's already 4 p.m.
I
Almost,
see.
yes, right. It's almost dinner time.
Right. Yes. It was finished around 3:30.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see. Wow, so early for you to have your dinner. Are you not going to be hungry later?
Yeah, because we had prepare menu,
Uh-huh.
and then we eat lots of dishes.
I see. So you are so full.
Yes, right.
Ah, right. Wow, that's very nice to hear. Just the three of you?
No, my younger one, and for us, and also my sister-in-law, she joined the
Oh,
ceremony as well.
I see. Wow, at least, right? They can
Yeah.
accommodate all the family.
Yes, right.
Right. Yes, because here in the Philippines, usually if the hall is very small, then you could just bring one or two
Yeah.
visitors or
Yes,
parents,
right.
usually parents inside.
Yeah.
Yes, that's why. That's why for some other visitors, they have to stay
Mm.
outside and wait. Right. Okay. Well, then,
Yeah.
do you have anything else to share with me?
Sure.
Okay. What is the article for today's class?
Today, I'd like to discuss number 928.
928. Ah, okay. Wow. Could you please tell me something about this? It's very long
Okay.
also.
Thousands of years ago, a young Neolithic woman in what is now Denmark chewed on a piece of birch pitch. DNA analysis of this prehistoric chewing gum has now revealed in remarkable detail what she looked like. The team nicknamed the young Neolithic woman Lula after Roland, the island in Denmark on which the 5,700-year-old chewing gum was discovered. The
Hmm.
Stone Age archaeological site, Sal-
Hmm.
Sisolum on the island of Holland. Prist- pristinely preserved, the gum emerged for the thousands of years after Lula discarded it. It was so well preserved that a group of scientists at the University of Copenhagen were able to extract a complete ancient human genome, the entire young woman's genetic material from it. They were also able to extract DNA from ancient pathologen and oral microbes that she carried in her mouth. This is the first time that an entire human genome was extracted from something other than human bones, according to a statement from the University of Copenhagen. The team's analysis revealed that the source of the prehistoric gum was female and likely had dark skin, dark hair, and blue eyes. They found that Lula's genes matched more closely to hunter-gatherers from the European mainland than those who lived in central Scandinavia at the time. The ancient chewing gum also held traces of plant and animal DNA, such as DNA from hazelnuts and dog, which might have been part of Lula's diet, according to the statement. Finally, scientists found genes associated with lactase non-persistence, meaning Lula likely didn't digest dairy very well. Other previous archaeological finds from the site had suggested the humans who occupied the site were heavily exploiting wild resources well into the Neolithic, which is the period when farming and domesticated animals were first introduced into southern Scandinavia.
Mhm.
Read other thesis Jensen, a postdoctoral fellow from the Global Institute at the University of Copenhagen,
Mhm.
said in the statement. Finally, the researchers found DNA from oral microbes in the chewing gum, including DNA that could belong to the Epstein-Barr virus, which causes mononucleosis, otherwise known as mono or the kissing disease. The birch piece is a brackish brown substance that is created by heating up birch bark. This substance has been used since the Paleolithic era as glue for harvesting stone tools, according to the statement. Okay, I think it's enough for the
Very long.
reading the article.
Right.
Okay,
Okay. Any questions about the vocabulary?
everything is okay.
Okay, then let's move on. What
Yeah.
did they call the 5,007-year-old woman discovered by a group of scientists, and why did they call her that?
They call her Lula,
Mhm.
named Lu- Rem- after Holland, the island in Denmark on which the yeah
Mm. Right, yes. And what is a prehistoric chewing gum according to the article?
the which is the 5,007-year-old chewing gum was discovered the Stone Age Anterior site
Mhm.
in Holland which was gum. The pristinely preserved gum in mud for the thousand years after Lula discarded it. It was so okay.
Mhm.
Is the chewing gum?
Prehistoric chewing
Yeah,
gum.
prehistoric chewing gum.
Mhm.
It's some. material the girl Lula chewed in the past.
Right. Yes. And what oral microbes did the scientists find in the chewing gum, and how helpful would these be to science?
The microbes, uh, oral microbes that she carried in her mouth.
Hmm.
Is the first time that the entire human genome was extracted from something other than human bones, according to a statement from the University of Copenhagen.
Hmm.
The team's analysis revealed that the jewels of the prehistoric gum was female and likely had dark skin, dark hair, and blue eyes. That means
Hmm.
from the chewing gum, the researchers can find the truest um, gene,
Hmm.
character of
Yes.
her genes.
Right. Yeah. So give other ways and means on how technology can identify the age and the full identity of the person who died decades ago.
Yeah.
Hmm.
How technology can identify the age and the whole identity of a person. Then maybe from the bone or hair of the body. Then,
Hmm.
if the scientists use the DNA analysis on the bone or hair, then they can
Hmm.
identify the age and the whole identity of the body.
Okay, so bones or hair.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. And do you think that science findings are accurate and do not lie?
Okay.
Hmm.
I I still technology is um, getting improved. Then the accuracy is much higher than before. So
Hmm.
we can believe the result of the analysis, and also we can use that as a proof of any crime or accident.
I see. Okay. So, as you think, yeah, technology is getting better.
Getting better. Yeah.
Yes. So the accuracy is much higher than before.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Yes, I think so. Of course,
Yeah.
technology is also developing.
Yes. Right.
Yeah, that's why. Right. Yeah. And if you were Lola, would you wish to be discovered and be studied in the future?
Yes, I hope so because want to left my I want to leave my gene and
Hmm.
then some of my yeah my uh, someone who can study my gene and then found find something then there will be very meaningful for my life
Why?
because uh, humans humans instinct want to live something in the future. That's why we want to have a baby or we want to get married. That's the
Mm-hmm.
instinct, live gene or something like that.
I see. That's the reason why you want to leave something.
Yeah.
Yes, about yourself or about your legacy. But is it okay for you for them to study your body?
Yeah, maybe after 5,000 years later, then there will be no problem.
Okay, right. 5,000 years?
Yeah,
Wow.
later. Yeah.
Could they steal?
And yeah, but in Korea recently,
Hmm.
our common funeral way is just yeah burn the body away.
Yeah,
So
cremation.
nobody left anything anymore.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Ashes.
Ashes, only
Right.
ashes. but we can analyze this anything from the ashes.
Right, of course, right. Why do you think most people in Korea chose that
Because
way, cremation?
Korea is a very small country and then there is no enough for the tombs.
I see. To save space,
Yes,
yeah, that's the reason why. They just cremate the body. Right, yeah. So I think it's better also.
yes, right.
Right, yeah. But the problem is, yes, if there is a history about that,
Yes,
then no evidences can be
yes,
found,
yes, right.
because it was burned away,
Yes.
yes, by something already. Right. Okay. But can you believe the chewing gum did not really dissolve or something after how
Maybe
many years?
the chewing gum is a kind of some plant or something like that.
Uh
Not
huh.
not commercial chewing gum. It's like some
Uh-huh.
yeah.
It
Maybe
is.
it's a
Mm-hmm.
trunk of some plant or root of yeah plant.
Oh,
And
that's
then if it
why.
is buried in the mud, then it's not decayed.
Oh, I see. Yes, because I think if it is natural,
Yeah,
then it will turn as also soil, like
that's right.
leaves or trunks of trees.
Yeah,
Yes, if they rotten, they turn into soil. So I was like, wow, wondering what's
yes.
that kind of gum?
It's a,
All
yeah.
right.
Okay.
Mm. Any questions about your article, Tabon?
Yeah, everything is okay.
All right. Well, then, if you don't have, thank you so much for today's class. Have a great weekend with your
Okay. Bye
family.
bye.
Mm-hmm.